Alô?
Ai, eu nunca vi. É, eu fiz sim, eu nunca vi. Ah, certo, já.
Run him over. Run him over. This is a robbery. The parked car was an intentional makeshift roadblock. Yo, dude, if this is not like your sign to get a dash cam for your car, I don't know what is, man. Like, this is the type of stuff that even if you told the story, nobody would believe you unless you had video evidence. They're gonna hit the windshield or what? Run over!
Ai, Vitória, avião! Foi por aí! Meu avião, é meu avião, boa!
This is not Earth. This can't be Earth. Where is it? Australia, bro. What are y'all doing down there? Like, I don't
Bota tudo comigo! Oh, please, tudo para o sonho! Eu não mais caiu aqui, né? Fazer o ogro, é mesmo? Tu não bate, né? O ogro. Alguns que ok, voltou esse jogo do baixo, esse vai ter agora, acabei com aqui.
How are you allowed to go there without water? Isn't that the point of the fire truck? How does the fire truck not have water? What happens? Please tell me they live. I need to know they all live.
Well,
These stories are having happy endings. Like, usually they don't end this way. Human life is actually more resilient than we think, I guess. Russia, Australia, bro. The epicenter for just having the scariest dash cam footage. Y'all take the cake, man. If there was a World Olympics for scary dash cam footages, Russia would be gold, Australia would be silver, and the rest of the world wouldn't even be able to like compete. Yo, I thought that was stuff you only see in movies. I can't believe I just saw it right here, bro. That actually happened in real life. That might be the craziest thing I've ever seen in my entire life. I'm not even.
esse coração ficou aqui. Sabe, esse coração ficou aqui. Quer ver? Calma aí, só que eu chamo de pessoa. Não, aqui sim, vamos aqui. Ai, comigo pessoas. Mas aqui vai ser só. Pensaria. Olha assim, ó. Calma comigo. É, eu vou querer. Não sei,
Oh my god, I guess it's
Tem um somo. Um somo.
Subscribe if you are also
Acabei? Não, que eu falo aqui, tá bom? Que não acabou comigo. Vou buscar mais no clube. Vou buscar mais no clube, tá bom? Acabei? Acabei.
Some YouTubers suddenly disappear without a trace. Just the thought of that makes me uncomfortable, and we're going to be finding out in today's video who are these YouTubers, how did they disappear, and where are they now? A huge shout out goes to Visual Venture for putting it together. All credit goes to him. Let's just dive right in. Oh boy, I'm nervous. I'm so nervous for this. Okay, here we go. Kyle. Wait, I know Kyle, but not like personally, but I used to watch his YouTube channel, FPS Russia. He had like one of the biggest channels on YouTube maybe 10 years ago where he would like showcase a bunch of guns and stuff. Yeah, where did he go? By like federal agents. Federal agencies? District attorney stuff happened to me, but I'm 90 years old. I would be spamming you guys' YouTube feed with my trash content. But what if I can force off the platform somehow? I just to these people to make sure that it never happens. Okay. Let's get into this.
What? Olha que fez, Sassou. Nossa. Ninguém me mostra.
Alana G made videos about people who vanished. No! Dude, that is the least disturbing. She made videos about people who vanished and she vanished? Oh, I'm not ready for this.
Assim que é. Okay. Dois. Que mais? Que símbolo. Que mais? Sério?
By mid-2015, Alana's channel was taking off. She had about 50,000.
Uau, coragem. Ah, eu não tenho, não coragem. Esse boneco.
In danger? What could have possibly put her in danger? 2015, Alana realized they were on all those. Is it this guy? It wasn't just some random troll.
Guerra.
Oh my god, imagine talking about like scary cases that probably involve stalkers and then having one on your own and knowing like what happened in those scary cases that you talked about. That would be so scary. To explain the seriousness of the situation, she's not very serious. But if she was scared and she didn't show it, because her last tweet went warning directed at the stalker. It said, "My uncle is a cop. Or criminal lawyers. Okay. Threatening me online will always turn out badly for you." It was a bold move. She hoped it would work. But after that, Alana vanished from the internet. After the tweet, Alana deleted her YouTube channel with over 50,000 subscribers. Her Facebook page also vanished. Her Twitter account disappeared. Her Instagram was offline. What? Is it to prevent the stalker from finding her, or did the stalker take over? Blogging channel disappeared in a single day. But what made it stranger was the timing. Just days earlier, Alana was planning new videos on YouTube.
Alô? Quem é você? Por favor. Fiz aqui antes do que nem um carro. Tá vendo aqui? Que caminhão, mas olha que bagulho. Aqui irá essa gata que você gosta. Tô pegando. Bem lá. Pirar? Eu vou colocar. Saya kan, biar aku berangkat. Oh, sabe, né? Como vai? Sua cara é. Ah.
That's sad. They packed up and moved to one of the strangest places in California, the Salton Sea. Is that the Salton Sea in the background over there? I don't see any sea, bro. Call it a toxic nightmare. People toxic nightmare because the air was contaminated with dust and gas.
Ai, meu amigo. Olá, olá. Tudo bem? Tô me ocupando. Eu que me você? Mas eu que me banheiro que eu picoca. Aí.
Oh, bro. I could have predicted that. In Austin, we're inside their They were hanging out and doing whatever they were doing, and they heard a scream. That's not. Who are these people? The other side of town, which this is a really tiny town. The Salton Sea wasn't exactly safe at night. Don't tell me they went out to investigate, bro. Don't tell me to call the cops, call the police. Don't try to investigate. Nothing good has ever happened from that. They talked about what to do. Maybe someone needed help. Austin suggested they stay put. Nick agreed. At least Austin thought Nick agreed. Thank you. Austin turned around and went to sleep. He didn't know it would be the last time he ever saw Nick. When Austin woke up the next morning, he was alone in the tent. Nick was gone. He searched everywhere. Then, just a block from their camp, he found Nick's flashlight lying in the dirt. That's a His pants come out. In other words, Nick's belongings were scattered in different spots. Yeah. And then there's the boot. Why was only one boot found? Where was the other? Judy Wright on September 12th, a missing person report was filed. And then, oh boy, weird. A few days after Nick vanished, Austin returned to an area he already searched. But this time, something new was found. Nick's shirt and hat were just
Mesmo é.
This was 2018. 2019. They found no new clues. Wait, why did the search party come 5 months later? It's too late. It's already too late. Search party should start like the day after. I'm not sure. Is that how it usually works? To this day, Nicholas Songwriter is still missing. So, Bill have never been found? Okay, I'll be honest with you. I'll be so real with you guys. Nick's situation was so avoidable. If he would have put or call the police instead, why would you go out there by yourself to investigate a scream? I mean, I feel bad, but it's like, come on, Nick. Mac Adventures. Mac Adventures? More than just YouTubers. They were father and son. And they were adventurers. Their channel, called Mac Adventures, started back in 2000. Oh, has so many followers. They wrote travel, vlog, podcast, and travel more. They rode motorcycles across the U.S. in places that most people never see. First road trip ever. Father and son on. I got a bugle. He's got an intruder. We're gonna go cruising. It wasn't anything. Father and son cruise. Sounds like a good time.
That would go.
Stop. They visited one of the secret places.
I don't forgot about it. I don't think it's great. Full. Saya comigo. That game. Say. Eu vi. Sabe? Eu achava que comigo já foi pra ele. Ele conseguiu. Eu não consigo coisa comigo. Eu vou colocar. mas não acabou. Não vou ver o que as placas não passando dia não.
Genuinely, what happened? We're investigating screams in the middle of the night in the most toxic wasteland in America, and now we're walking through a no trespassing sign in Area 51. I'm assuming it's about to say Area 51. Area 51. Yup, it's Area 51. That's where they hide the aliens, bro. Why would you go in there? Guys, I want to feel pity for you guys, but like...
Não é assunto dessa.
You idiots! Oh my god, bro. Okay, nah. How many warning signs do you guys have? This picture right here. I mean, it's hard, bro. Like, I want to feel people that just disappear without a trace. Obviously, are the consequences proportional to their actions? Probably not, but it's still no better than not being
Eu falei que acabou, eu falei, ficou com a coisa pequena, blá blá blá, e jogar papel, então,
Whatever's happening, I'm sorry. I don't feel bad for them, bro. That's just pure stupidity. You're asking for it. These videos about Area 51. Each time they returned, Joe and Garrett pushed deeper into the restricted zone. They thought they could keep doing it without getting caught. They thought wrong. In early 2017, Joe and Garrett posted their most intense video yet. Why? Held at gunpoint by camo dude. Like real danger. Not long after that video, actors went completely silent. They stopped posting on YouTube. They stopped replying to fan messages. Their other social media accounts went. Oh no. YouTubers started talking about it, calling it the case of YouTubers who disappeared after being held at Area 51. Some believed they were warned to stop filming. Others thought they were secretly arrested. Years passed, later they reappeared. They're alive. Video called "The Pops and I Are Okay. That's good. Subscribers that they were okay. But after that video, they vanished again. And it's been 5 years since they made a YouTube video. Okay, you know what? I have a feeling they're probably alright if they made a video like 3 years later. If the people at Area 51 didn't do anything to them within the 3 years, they're probably not going to do anything. Right? They probably just ended up quitting YouTube. I'm guessing they probably got some like very serious threatening letters from the government telling them to quit social media forever. And that's what happened. Okay, alright, thank God. Okay, so at least one of the 3 that we know are still with us. That's good to know. Next case involves FPS Russia for murder. What? Investigation for using the M word? Investigation for murder. Kyle Myers. FPS Russia? Launched FPS Russia in 2010. And his videos were hard to forget. Hello, my friends. It's FPS Russia again. I remember this. So, this guy, FPS Russia, used to make Call of Duty Modern Warfare 2 videos with a Russian accent and went by the name of FPS Russia. That's where his name originated from. And if you use like this type of real life content away from Call of Duty, that's all I need.
Olha o que noite, é?
Real guns and explosives.
Tá. Ai,
Russian, how to use the Russian accent on the video. So, right.
Peraí, agora vamos lá.
Keith also owned a gun store and sometimes helped plan the video. Wondering, like, how are you allowed to do this, like, just in your backyard? Like, this stuff that...
Yeah, because there's a capivara.
Eu colocava no vídeo e vou postar para no clube.
Vai?
É, tem um canal.
Canal? Tem. Aqui da sua mãe. Essa merda!
Mais um pouquinho ligar. Vou jogar mais um pouquinho ligar. Fica bem para. Eu vou funcionar, eu quero muito.
Eu vou lá com a avó buscar ovo, tá bom?
Calma.
Tchau, já vou. Rapidinho. Eu vou ligar a avó pra ela ligar pra você.
Como é que eu peguei? Bora, nossa, sério, Quem que é o seu nariz?
Mudou de cabelo hoje, a Meg, ela?
Que galera quem que tá não? Mas caiu agora. Você pega essa hora. Agora ia pegar aí.
Say Kyle himself, I have seen him surfacing around on some podcasts and stuff in recent years. So I know Kyle is alive and well, but what happened to his partner? How does a case like that go unsolved? There are no cameras and stuff. This next case,
coisa.
This story is going to have probably the worst ending that we've seen so far. I'm just going to assume. Meaning it's time to go. So it's time to go. Unless other people were there. Something wasn't really wrong. In May 2024, Elliot flew back to the U.S. Oh, good. Returning to go to Europe. No! You were saying you could do it home, and then you went back. Live in the video, the final life. Oh my God. Maybe some criminals were watching live streams because a few hours later, 4 men in fake police uniforms stormed his house. They were armed. Elliot tried to fight them off. Shots were fired. He was injured. They kidnapped Elliot and dragged him to a speedboat and stopped him. His wife saw the whole thing happen. She called the police immediately. And somehow they tracked down kidnappers. But Elliot wasn't with them. One kidnapper later explained what happened. He said Elliot was hurt during the kidnapping and he passed away on the speedboat. Since the police ransom reward, they dumped his body in the ocean. Elliot searched the coastline, but Elliot's body was never recovered. Elliot fell in love with adventure in the Philippines. But in the end, his husband was rest in peace, Elliot. So hopefully this is a warning that goes out to all of you guys, alright? Don't move to any foreign country that is known to be dangerous. Okay? Just don't do it. Not for a woman. I'll say this, guys. Just watching these videos so far, it doesn't look like any of these missing YouTuber situations are in any way related to my situation. So I think I'm probably gonna be safe and not disappear off the internet forever?
This next YouTuber was an inspiration to millions of young people until it ended in
Yeah.
Grant Thompson.
It was so popular. It was called Lego Gummy. Grant Thompson had
12 million subscribers.
science experiment.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to the lab. Today we're trying another one of those. Hey, I know this. I forget her name. I've never seen Grant Thompson. Did you guys know Grant? I mean, he is very famous.
One of the basics was a tutorial on how to make
Gummy Lego. That's so cool. That's so cool.
make mountains and mountains of your own custom.
That's incredible.
That is science with a math. Viewers
Yes.
around 11 million subscribers.
Oh, no. Come on. Come on.
This guy is sick. This guy is so cool. And none of these stories have good endings, though.
Long hours at the computer caused terrible back pain, but it didn't stop.
You didn't even know that, though. I kept putting out videos every single week, and I was excited.
Then in late 2018, Grant made a bold move. He started posting videos daily.
Daily videos? What? Just so back, because we were literally all day and all night until 4 in the morning working on videos we post every day.
Grant was running on TV.
Logan Paul.
To help him stay. Then Grant found something that helped him unwind the pressure. In early 2019, Grant
Let's go with you.
he called it his
That better not be wide, bro.
just 5 months of experience. On July 29th, 2019,
Oh.
Let's go.
This over with, bro. Let's just finish this video.
Fucking Gucci, baby.
his worried family called it his. The Washington County Sheriff's Office in Utah received
Sabi ka tas kong gumil. Sabi, ang gusto kong kaka.